The early 2020s were defined by panic. We worried sentient machines were coming to automate every human job. That initial anxiety quickly faded into fatigue. Once these tools hit the mainstream, they functioned less like a sci-fi revolution and more like fast conversational search engines. This imbalance reveals the era's core cognitive error. Society focused entirely on the top 5%, the interface, while ignoring the 95% of development happening in the back-end architecture. While public attention waned, the engineering work moved underground. By 2026, these hidden systems quietly rewrote the foundational protocols of global industry. The technology now functions as an ambient environment that surrounds our daily operations. Because the primary drivers of productivity shifted to the back end, professionals who only engage with the interface are looking at an empty shell. To achieve this, engineering strategy shifted. Developers abandoned the general AI, opting instead for a swarm of specialized microagents. This refinement process requires a stripping away of generalized capabilities. Engineers create hyper-specialized systems to execute one specific task with consistency. These microagents operate autonomously. They continuously monitor data streams like local weather, traffic, and financial markets without a single human prompt. Modern computer science focuses on deploying millions of these microbrains to flawlessly execute single, invisible tasks. This specific pivot allowed AI to transition from a novelty tool into the invisible infrastructure powering the 2026 economy. In 2026, the city functions as a living organism. Refined systems regulate its pulse at a level well beneath human perception. Within the urban power grid, microagents track weather forecasts and industrial schedules to predict energy consumption spikes hours before they happen. The system reroutes power in real time, moving energy from residential storage directly into high-demand industrial zones to prevent blackouts. Predictive AI has similarly transformed global logistics. Shipping routes now divert around developing weather patterns to deliver goods before a regional shortage even occurs. These same invisible routing protocols govern the digital workspace. These invisible protocols seamlessly format, translate, and delegate digital work across corporate departments without a single human keystroke. Across power grids and office suites, the technology succeeds by removing human friction while remaining entirely unseen. In 2026, artificial intelligence has lost its status as a unique feature. It is a fundamental expected utility. This mirrors the history of electricity and Wi-Fi. They began as technological marvels and ended as invisible necessities that we only notice when they fail. The priority has shifted from learning how to prompt a machine to learning how to navigate on top of this newly established infrastructure. Technology achieves its maximum power only when society stops noticing it. Identifying these invisible intelligence systems allows us to automate complex friction and extend the reach of human capability.